does making horizontal cuts on your shallots actually matter? I'm gonna take this shallot, cut it into 2 separate halves. On one half, I will do the horizontal cut. On the other half, I won't. This goes against everything that Anthony Bourdain and Gordon Ramsay, as well as my culinary school, taught us. And so we're gonna put this to the test and see if we can tell the difference. These are properly mixed up. I know which one is which, but you folks gotta tell me, did I make horizontal cuts on bowl A or did I make horizontal cuts on bowl B? Before I proclaim the winner, the thing we have to think about is the extra cuts. If you're doing 50 or 60 of these shallots or onions a day, how many time-saving minutes that extracts you if you don't have to do this. Number 2, you have to think about the finished product of these alliums. Are they gonna be cooked down? Is it just gonna be steeped inside of a stock? Is it gonna be pureed? I have a hard time believing that taking this extra step actually benefits you. Also, doing something like a shallot brunoise where you want things to be super consistent, it doesn't work with keeping the shallot whole. You would separate out the petals. We also have to talk about the safety concerns, because in no other knife cut do you cut towards one of your body parts. Even when you're butchering, you cut away from yourself, or you're cutting down towards the board and using a claw grip to make sure that you don't cut your fingers. The big reveal, bowl B did not have the horizontal cuts in it. Did you get it right? That's why today we're gonna test